no stranger. Babe's been waiting. Just as I recall that. Soften up the mess, drop it in the water, let the daughter find her image with the rest. She'll be learning how to breathe, spinning through identity, reveal another pretty little scheme. Save her mind, hold her hand, and don't believe a lie, you understand me. Walk her down the valley, pack a piece of heaven for the bottoms of her feet. Teach her how to jump and how to stretch when she reach, like the angels do, and you gon' make it through. Tell about the healer, greater is the one within her, call him as the leader. Teach her how to hold a pretty head up to the sky, and don't wait upon the giver, he'll deliver like a dealer. Take her higher, higher.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, Shantwana, please don't leave without subscribing. If you are returning day one, what do you do, bestie? So it is Thursday today, guys, the 25th of July, and I just got back from what is this shop again? Kung Fu Chicken. Yeah, the one in Waterfall. I bought myself some seafood chowmain. So I quickly want to see what's for dinner.
And the fire, take her higher.
There goes my dinner, you guys. Can you see? So it's seafood chowmain. Yeah, it's seafood noodles and not a lot of things. Kupoloblela something. And please don't judge me. At my big age, I can't use steak. I think I'm gonna use the fork they gave me. If Bam file for because but if Bam file for you're not gonna say anything, right? I can still use my fork. I'm working on them soul things. So there's prawns in here, there's calamari in here, there's fish, and there's what? Yeah, I think it's only fellow. Oh, well, at least what I remember. Prawn. I then went to Chicken Licken to go buy the wings, not for backup, because I didn't know what the taste I am, but the prawn is great. The prawn is great. Mara fish ya bone ena le marapo.
Soften up the mess, drop it in the water, let the daughter find her image with the rest.
Let me actually dish properly because I don't think I'm gonna have the whole thing like one sitting. I'm not gonna do that. I still wanna have the wings here and enjoy my Thursday night because but I have school still. Tomorrow's Friday and I'm going to school. Yeah, that's it. I'm not gonna say anything because I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I do know that I have a week date coming along. I don't know if it's gonna be in this vlog or the next vlog, but I'm hoping it's gonna be this vlog. What else are we doing? I don't know. We'll take each day as it comes, guys. Let me not say I have things to do, then I end up not vlogging. Because one thing about me, I'm like, I'm not gonna vlog, I'm scared, especially when I'm in public. So we will see how this vlog unfolds. Let's talk. But Luna, guys, please watch my videos, Kalko. But like you guys are only watching and not subscribing. Like Kalko, please subscribe to my channel. Joburg water, when I catch you, like Joburg water, ke go kreye. Guys, it's a Sunday today. Actually, good morning, guys. It's a Sunday today. I woke up on a marathon. Can't tire Joburg water. That's why I get Joburg water. Ke go kreye. Because they decided for the period of July, August, we don't deserve water. What the actual F? Okay. Kanjani. But yeah, at least I woke up, cleaned the sink, ka shawara, did my face, I'm done. It's drying up. And when it's drying up, so yeah, I did all of those quickly because neke bona water pressure it's not the usual pressure we get like on a daily. It's not. Yeah. So yeah, let's quickly make breakfast and let's see where the day takes us. But yeah, I'm wearing my PJs from my friend Masiko. Like I got them a long time ago because I felt like I can't sleep with the print. Like print and nine guys. Honestly, but no man Kimutuna, I had to get over it and wear the clothes, wear the PJs because I mean I was gifted and it's only fair for me to. Yeah, so let's make breakfast. I don't know what I'm having. I think I'm gonna have eggs, bread, and toasted bread. I'm gonna toast with my oven because I'm gonna toast that. And yeah, man, we out. Let's make food. Let's start again.
Tell me, I'm sorry you chose to stay. Big mistake, I played a game. Should've never give it away. What it means to get hurt at all. Oh, I appreciate the time with you. Must wanna say I'm with you. I don't think we're compatible. It's just so impossible. Kind of savage, baby. Please don't judge me.
How many slices of bread do you eat? I'm interested in knowing. TikTok but each and every girl how many slices of bread they're gonna say two and how much two slices of guys nagija two 3 slices. Kona ngija 2 fela because ish I go at 3 slices man. Can't off.
You don't even know me. I live lonely. Found out who I am through you, and it turns out it ain't for ya. Made them plan till I let them fall through. Didn't mean to cause all this damage. Is it my fault? Why don't you have some fun? I think I need to. I just need a boy.
I so hope and pray that this ever is clean. Like, hehe. Guys, when I tell you it's been forever since I got a clean Evo like this, but at least I can now choose the Evo. I know what to go for, sure. So let's go wash my face. Let's go wash my face because it's really dry.
Been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life moves fast and you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want. bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, it's some me time. Crib by the beach like Odell. Over my killers don't tell.
So guys, I am done. I'm finally done. This is what I'm having for breakfast with a little guest. Wait until you see the guest. So guys, today we are tasting the Bernini mimosa. So it's a sparkling spritzer, obviously. Alcohol, grape beverage with real orange juice. Okay. It's a 4.5 volume. To my friend, I told you there's no way Bernini would go above percent there one because give me mimosa here, champagne here. 4.5% le shapo for le tahua kudulona, like le tahua too much. So this is what I'm having, and yeah, let's go. Ooh. Don't judge me for not having a flute. Yeah, let's taste. Tastes like orange. Tastes like an alcoholic beverage. Tastes like mimosa. But there's too much orange juice. But I'm not one for it. I say it's a stuff saga. It can't be my stuff, so no. I'm good with my hand. This is too good, guys. So because yesterday there was some maintenance happening in this unit. They went to the tile and had to put back the other tiles. Like another tile cracking, so it's kind of a mess. So far it's been upside down. So I'm gonna clean that, but not now because I wanna eat and chill and I watch maybe one vlog because it's Sunday and you guys be uploading. I know that for sure. So yeah, I wanna check some few vlogs out while I eat. Then I'm gonna come back here and clean. I'll show you guys how this situation looks like. Like Homas, and there are certain parts of the house I'm not supposed to step on because it is still wet. And basically what they were doing is changing the tiles and spacing for the tiles to be able to breathe, because the reason why they crack is because they can't breathe. They didn't like do an opening when they done with the tiling, like as never you get, I don't know, but that's why we're studying civil nonetheless. So yeah, I'm gonna go eat, watch a few vlogs, and basically carry on with my day. So I hope you guys are having an amazing Sunday, and don't forget to catch up on vlogs, man. Watch my videos, watch other creators, do your thing too, you know. I'll see you. Guys, do you get the feeling, like, do you know the feeling that you get when your hair is not done? I feel like a mess. Because I can't even take my bonnet out. Can't take my bonnet out. And I'm stuck between getting braids or installing my hair, but that's fine. I'll figure it out. And the mimosa I had yesterday, guys, I'm giving it a 5. I'm giving it a 5 because it has too much orange juice. I still say I prefer the ones I make myself. I prefer mimosa okikele because I can control the amount of juice I pour in there. But I get the orange juice. Like, I get the orange juice. I don't like apple juice. The only juice I prefer is cranberry, and it goes well with other drinks, not obviously sparkling wine. But yeah, man, that is it from me. And I still have 2 left. So I don't know. I guess but I'm gonna drink them. There's no way I'm gonna drink them. And yeah, man, so lovers and friends, thank you so much for watching. I'm ending the vlog here because honestly there's nothing that I'm doing, and if I have to continue, I'd rather start a new vlog, you understand? So yeah, that's it from me, from this vlog, guys. Please do not forget to subscribe. I beg. We're on the road to 600 subscribers right now, and I just want to get there, child. I just want to get there. So yeah, man, I'll see you next time.